Hello dear friends, come close, don't hide, a curious tale begins tonight. The sky glows red, the breeze feels strange, a twist is near, a sudden change. Bluey skips fast, her tail held high, the flowers bloom, the bees buzz by. But in the grass, a hum so loud, a shiny beetle crawls so proud. It lands on Bluey, wings go zing, a tiny sting, a sudden sting. She yelps in shock, her eyes flash bright, her mood shifts quick beneath the light. Her giggles fade, her smile turns sly, she kicks the dirt, she stomps the sky. The playful pup now frowns instead, her paws march hard, her eyes glow red. She builds tall towers, knocks them fast, she hides the toys, she shouts at last. Her friends look on with puzzled cheer, why is Bluey acting weird? The wind grows tense, the night feels near, her growls ring out for all to hear. Yet still, dear friends, we call to you, for brighter tales and laughter too. Come join the fun, come share the run, like this video and subscribe my channel, everyone. Back to the field, the beetle stays, it buzzes round in swirling ways. Bluey chases, her paws hit ground, the buzzing fills the air with sound. She topples blocks, she splashes mud, she stomps through puddles with a thud. Her laugh now deep, her bark feels strong, she sings a wild and rumbled song. But then the bunny hops in near, its gentle nose brings warmth so clear. It sniffs at Bluey, soft and kind, a gentle hug can change her mind. Bluey blinks once, her frown grows weak, a tiny tear rolls down her cheek. The beetle hums, then flies away, the dark spell lifts, the night turns day. Her paws grow light, her heart feels free, she laughs again, oh, back to me. She hugs the bunny, spins around, her giggles fill the frosty ground. The friends all cheer, the joy returns, a lesson shines, a moment burns. Even when moods turn rough and loud, kindness can break the darkest cloud. Bluey now rests, her eyes half closed, her heartbeat calm, her anger dozed. The stars above shine soft and true, they guide sweet dreams for me and you. So friends who watch, please stay, don't go, more tales of Bluey's life will grow. For laughter bright and friendship new, Bluey shares warm hugs with you.